Hello, what's up? Good evening, friends. I'm just gonna do a little unboxing of what I got. I ordered a Ronbus 4.16, the new Quanta pickleball paddle. These are the new Gen 4s, which are all made of foam on the core. So they say there's no core crushing. And so I got this from Spinwave Pickleball of Great Neck, New York. So I just got this today, so let's unbox this thing. There we go. We just go inside, I guess. Let's see, because it was shipped by USPS, and I hope nothing was wrong during the shipping. And so it's just wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay. So these are the new 4th gen paddle. This is the 4.16, the hybrid. There we go. Quanta 4.16. It says all foam core, and it's a hybrid. Ronbus. This is the bang for the buck. It's very light. I probably would put tungsten tape right here and put some edge guard. I like it. I like the feel. I like the grip. I think it's a 5.5 grip. There you go. And can't wait to take it to court this weekend. Thank you.